Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if something went wrong on Twitter. First, go to the settings in your mobile device. Here, search for developer options. Scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi scan throttling. Turn this toggle on. Also, tune the toggle on for mobile data always active. Once you're done, go back and open Apps. Here, go to App Management. Now search for Twitter. Tap on it, then go to App Permissions. Make sure to allow it access permission for all these options. Now go back and open Storage Usage. Here, clear the cache and data to get rid of extra data and bugs. Lastly, open a Play Store. Here, search for Twitter. Check for any updates and make sure your app is up to date. Now open the Twitter app. Your problem will be fixed by following these steps. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.